Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by verifying the exact Kinect unit and required adapters. This matters because drivers differ. Once done, install the Kinect SDK and an open and NI-compatible middleware so body tracking is exposed. Make sure USB 2.0 is active. Position the sensor about 2 to 3 meters away and 2 meters high, centered on your play area. This maximizes skeletal coverage and reduces occlusion. Now, power the Kinect, connect to your PC, and run the SDK sample to confirm the RGB and depth streams are visible. Next, you calibrate the sensor and configure tracking parameters, because accuracy depends on correct alignment. Start calibration by centering a T-pose and letting the middleware detect the floor plane. Adjust tilt and depth scale until joint markers align. Then set tracking to full body mode, increase depth range if your space allows, and tweak smoothing to balance latency versus jitter. Once the skeleton looks stable, map Kinect joint ID to your application's rig and test a walk, squat, and arms up motion to verify consistent tracking across poses. To finish, stabilize environmental variables and lock your settings so tracking stays consistent. You should lock camera exposure and keep lighting steady. Too much sunlight or reflections confuse depth sensing. Record short test sessions and inspect for joint drift, then incrementally adjust smoothing or rerun floor calibration to correct errors. If tracking fails, reboot the sensor and PC, update drivers, switch USB ports, and remove background clutter. These steps resolve most faults. Remember, small position changes often fix large tracking errors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.